Cashy's mom, Kalli, is a registered nurse, and although some say it's not necessary, she always insists that the oil be sterilized at a professional laboratory.
Daddy's got coffee.
Cashy looks really good today.
Mike shares one of the many regrettable situations that Cashy and many other children with cancer commonly endure.
They weren't even gonna try to remove his infected port till Sunday. I had to actually tell them that they were stupid.
So every day they had to pull this patch off of his chest, and they had to pull the gauze stuck into the wound hole that was in him. Now that's fighting cancer with the American Cancer Society. That's fighting cancer with the pediatric oncology floors. This is the answer that all of our prosecutors, sheriffs, police officers, governors, this is what they say to be the best way for our kids right here. I say bullshit. That's torture, man.
Have you ever seen a person who had cancer and used marijuana to help them eat or to alleviate their condition of somebody suffering from terminal cancer?
No, I have not.
And if you had, and I have, and seen that it helps them with their appetite and makes them smile, would you agree that it has some benefit to society for somebody who's dying and that marijuana is the only thing that makes him eat and makes him smile? Is there not an efficacious situation there?
I think that's between him and his doctor.
Well, if it's between him and his doctor, why does the DEA take a position that medical marijuana is wrong, which you've taken? You've taken the position it's not between him and his doctor. You have a publication, which on page 6 of your publication in 2011 has the most insane and banal paragraph. The legalization movement is not simply a harmless academic exercise. The moral danger of thinking that marijuana is...
Gentleman's time has expired. The gentlewoman from California, Ms. Chu.